Barplot with log y-axis program syntax with Matplotlib Pyplot. I realize that this question has been asked before. Python Pyplot barplot bars disappear when using log scale, but the answer given did not work for me. I set my pyplot.bar, x_values, y_values, etc., log equals true, but got an error that says. I have been searching in vain for an actual example of Pyplot code that uses a bar plot with the y-axis set to log, but haven't found it. What am I doing wrong? Here is the code. I get an error even when I remove a pyplot.show. Thanks in advance for the help.
Are you sure that is all your code does? Where does the code throw the error? During plotting? Because this works for me.
The error is raised due to the log equals true statement in ax.bar ... I'm unsure if this a Matplotlib bug or it is being used in an unintended way. It can easily be fixed by removing the offending argument log equals true. This can be simply remedied by simply logging the y values yourself. Appropriate labels log, y, need to be adding to be clear it is the log values.
As already suggested in the comments to Greg's answer, you're indeed seeing an issue that was fixed in Matplotlib 1.3 by setting the default behavior to clip. Upgrading to 1.3 fixes the issue for me. Note that it doesn't seem to matter how you apply the log scale, whether as a keyword argument to bar or via set_scale on the axis. See also this answer to logarithmic y-axis bins in Python that suggests this workaround.
Ciao, Himalayas,